just let me know. But they show no affection. They say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she doesn't want.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dental Babe Ray, and I'm back with another wig review for a company I've never done before, Sunberhair. Sunberhair sent me this gorgeous unit. Look at her. She's a water wave. She's in a gorgeous golden brown highlights. She's a 7x5 closure, pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached for you. Look at the wig cap, the way that's constructed. It has the silicone grip on the wig cap. It has the one giant clip in the back, the adjustable band in the inside, and the C curve to go around your ears. Let's try this beauty on. Look how gorgeous she is. These highlights are done to perfection. She looks so full. I am in love. She is so luscious. She was done to perfection with plucking. I do need to go tint this lace a little bit, so I'm going to go do that and then I'll come back on. All right, I'm back from tinting my lace. Look at that. She looks so good. I love this wig. It's giving Beyonce. It's such a big hair unit. It's going to be perfect for the summer, for the spring. This wig is gorgeous. So let's go define these curls. Gorgeous this unit is, how amazing these curls got since they got defined. And the best part is I'm wearing this wig completely glueless. Since this unit is a 7x5 closure, we can definitely do other styling options. So let's do a half up, half down look. I love a good half up, half down messy bun because it doesn't have to be perfect. Your bun can be completely messy and it still gives the look a nice look. It's so cute, perfect for the summer. This is normally a go-to that I do when I have curly units. Look how adorable this wig is. The fact that we can part it on either side because she's a 7x5 closure, this wig makes styling easy. I am so in love with this hair. I can't get enough of it. How soft it is, how full she is, how versatile you can make her look. This wig is definitely a winner in my book. All right, guys, you know what time it is. It's grade with the Densa Babe. Time to give this gorgeous unit a grade. So we're gonna give her 10 out of 5 teeth. For this being a new company I've never done reviews for, I'm so shocked that I was able to give their unit 10 out of 5 teeth. This wig is definitely deserving of that. The fact that there was no shedding from a curly unit, I'm really impressed by that. The way that they did these highlights are absolutely amazing. It was so soft, there was no smells. The fact that we can do versatile looks with this unit is amazing. This wig is super comfortable. You can't even feel it around your ears. You forget you even have a wig on. If you couldn't tell, I want to let you know, you better go out and get you one. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay blessed.